everybody, it's Amanda at scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and today I'm coming to show you the products that are going to be featured in my May Stampin Selections kit. I've been doing these kits for well over 6 months now. Can't quite remember when I started doing them, but it's been received really well. I packaged them beautifully. Every single penny that you pay for these kits is in the product. The postage is free, the packing is free. Every single penny is in product. Now my kits are £21 a month. It is UK only. We're only allowed to send to certain places anyway as a demonstrator, but because the postage is free and included within the price of the kit, I am restricting it. It is only UK, I'm afraid. So the other thing that I just want to mention is that the kits per month are £21. However, you can subscribe to 6 months and commit to 6 months of kits. If you do that, you can either pay me all at once or you can carry on paying monthly. But what it means is that if you commit to 6 kits and you buy 6 kits in a row, when you get to the 7th month, I will give you a bonus kit. It won't be exactly the same, but it will be comparable in price. So on the 7th month, you're getting a kit free. So if you do that and you purchase your kits regularly with me, that means that the cost of these kits actually comes down to £18, okay? Because on that 7th month you're getting one for free. So if you average out the cost and you buy them with me regularly, they're only costing you £18, and that is including postage. So what's in this kit? Right, it's focused this month on the Fresh Florals Suite, which is on page 94 and 95 of your current catalogue. It's beautiful and it features all the current in colours. We do have a stamp set, floral phrases, and a die set, detailed florals, which does coordinate. So you can upgrade your kit and ask to have those put in if you want. You just need to let me know. I will tell you that these are both carrying over into the new catalogue, so you won't be buying something that is going to retire. It's carrying over. So everything is from the suite, so it coordinates perfectly. I've not just picked random bits and bobs. It coordinates. All the hard work's been done for you. So first of all, I'll show you. You're gonna get a yard each of all of the 5 in colour ribbons. Okay, so that's a lovely collection for your crafty stash without having to buy a full roll of each. That is the benefit of these kits, is that you're getting a selection without having to buy the whole suite. It's a way of budgeting your craft expenditure. Okay, you're also going to get some of the lovely itty bitty bows. Now these are absolutely adorable. They're made from felt, they're lovely and sturdy, they're not flimsy, they're not going to come undone, and you just adhere them to your project with a glue dot or whatever choice of adhesive you like, and you're good to go. No fumbling about tying bows, they're done for you. So you're going to get a share of those. I'll just bob those there. Note cards, I love putting these in my kits. I haven't put any in for a while. And these are the Stampin' Up! Note cards and matching envelopes. They've been pre-cut, they're pre-scored. All you've got to do is fold them, and hey presto, you're good to go. You're going to get some of the beautiful Fresh Florals DSP, which is 12 by 12. It is double-sided and there are varying designs. So you're going to get a share of that. Beautiful. I'll just move this so you can see. It's absolutely beautiful in all of the 5 colours. We've got Fresh Fig, Berry Burst, Powder Pink, Lemon Lime Twist and Tranquil Tide, and then we've got the A4 card pack that goes with it, so you're going to get a share of that as well. On top of that, you're going to get a sample pack of the glitter enamel dots. When I say a sample pack, it's a little share of it. Everything's a share so that it brings the cost down for you. And on top of that, we're not allowed to send full packs of things like this in kits. We have to divide them up. That is the Stampin' Up! Policy. So you're getting a sample pack of those. You're also going to get a sample pack of the beautiful Colour Theory Memories and More cards. I love putting these in my kits. They're so versatile. I've done all sorts with these. I've got lots and lots of videos where I've used memories and more cards for lots and lots of different things. I've made tag books, I've made flip albums, I've done all sorts with them. Love them, so you're going to get a share of those. I am putting in some paper doilies because I think they're absolutely gorgeous and they go beautifully with those floral papers. Okay. So on top of that, you're also going to get the hand finished packaging from me. I'm not going to show you exactly what it is because I like to keep it as a bit of a surprise so that when you open it, it's like a gift to yourself. But they're always presented beautifully. And another thing that I'm going to add to this kit, because with every kit you're going to get a PDF downloadable tutorial, which is like instruction sheet, and also you will get a video tutorial. And one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make show you how to make a card, and I'm going to be using the detailed floral thinlits. So you will be sent the die cuts just enough to make that one specific project. We're not allowed to send loads and loads of die cuts and punch outs unless it's for a specific project, so you will be getting that. Okay, so there you go. That is my Stampin' Selections kit for the month of May. There are I'm headbutting the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 products there. And you will also get the card making kit, PDF tutorial, videos and handmade elements. I always put in a thank you card. They're packed beautifully and obviously delivered to your door for free. So if you'd like one of these kits, you can contact me at amandacharles08@gmail.com. You can go on over to my blog. You can find me on Facebook. You can leave a comment below here. You can contact me anywhere you like. It's absolutely fine. So there you go. That is my May Stampin' Selections kit. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.